do a little short video here of just a walk in the park. What could be easier and more fun than a walk in the park? So we're going to do about a 10-minute video of a walk in Central Park on a beautiful, cool, not humid at all, Saturday morning. Absolutely beautiful day. Lawn is open. Play soccer. Eat your breakfast. Walk your dog. Many things can be done. Have meaningful discussions. Get ready for your noontime picnic. Take a nap. What could be nicer in a park? Lots of runners. They work all week long. Saturday's a good day to get on a long run. Lots of babies. Can't have too many babies. Babies, picnics. People resting in the sun. What could be more beautiful than this? Dogs playing. People enjoying the weather. A couple of months it's going to be cold.
Like I can definitely beat 5'3", but we'll keep in touch. Exactly. Okay. Because I'm going to go on a run and then try to just like do a little bit of cleaning and then
some of the leaves are starting to change a little. Fall is starting to come. Here's one of the main roads we're coming to. We can watch the runners and bicycles go by. See that little path down here where cars go literally under the park? That was designed in 1848 before they had cars. Literally they had trucks carrying food and beverages going under the park so it wouldn't disturb the park goers. Talk about foresight. Who would know you'd need it for cars when cars didn't exist?
you just have to be okay with doing things slightly imperfectly.
Park police.
Ready? Everybody walk really fast. Walk really fast. Go.
Tough to get across here.
Some kind of morning run. It looks like a big run for maybe.
Great day for a run. Hard to get across. the folks across the street running and bicycling. This is not an organized run. These are just people who came here to exercise. People who live in Manhattan. Riding bikes, exercising. Some people get really dressed very well to ride bikes. Electrified scooter, bicyclists trying to die. Many different languages spoken here. I'm going to call this the bicycling video in Central Park. If you like looking at people, this is a video for you. All different kinds, all different shapes. They dress all different ways. Amazing. I could sit here all day and do this. Actually, I'm standing, but that's okay. I'd be happy to.
So much.
Arrow down. Arrow down. Negative.
This woman wants me to take a photo. How close? You want a full body?
Yeah, full body.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Tough to get a photo. You got it.
Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome, man. This gentleman is giving a tour by bicycle to Central Park. How does that sound? Is that cool? Father and his baby.
Well, I think after a while the back.
They used to have cars here. They don't no longer allow cars here. Always something going on in Central Park. Particularly, this is probably the most beautiful day I've seen this year. Not a cloud in the sky. Temperature is perfect. It's about 70 degrees with no humidity at all. And a cool wind. Hard to work up a sweat today, but I guess you can still do it. Absolutely beautiful day. Hello. Well, if you like videos like this, subscribe and like Gary's Tours. Doesn't cost anything to subscribe. See that little red square at the lower right hand side of the screen? Just punch that little subscribe button. Looks like a YouTube button. It's free, doesn't cost anything. All you get is a notification from us whenever we publish a new video. Come on your phone for about 2 seconds. Thank you for watching.